Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and that bell so that way you are notified every time I post a new video. And today, of course, we're back with another tips, tricks, hacks, and facts of everything beauty. So let's go ahead and hop right in. Okay, so for our first hack, I always had trouble doing a cut crease. I'm not gonna lie, even till this day, I still have a little bit of trouble. It just seems like one eye can be higher than the other, and it's just never perfect. I have a good eye and a bad eye. I think we all have that, but if you don't, kudos to you. But if you do have a problem with cut creases, this is something that has helped me out so much. I want to give credit where credit is due. I can't remember where I heard it from, but if I do find it, I will link it in the description bar down below. Don't forget to always check that description bar. I always have like coupon codes, alternatives, just anything that you could think of, I have down below, and also links. Okay, so all I have here are two brushes. These brushes are designated only for my cut crease. This one pretty much does all of the eye out here, and then this one I use to get right on the inner corner to be really precise because I like it to be a very crisp cut crease. So with these brushes, all you're gonna do is grab your glue, put it on both sides. You don't need a lot. Just put it on both sides. Okay? And then after you have put them on both sides, give it, I don't know, 3-5 seconds, and then you're gonna take your two fingers, squeeze the brush flat and pull up. Okay? And then do the same with this one. Squeeze the brush flat and pull up. That is gonna maintain, when the glue dries, it's gonna maintain the shape that you need to get that perfect cut crease. Now, when you wash these, the glue is not gonna come out really. You may get some of it out, but it's really not gonna come out. So only do this to brushes that you have designated for cut crease and cut crease only. And whenever you are done with your makeup, if you set these down on your desk or put them in your makeup bag, preferably you should wash them, but I don't always. The next time you pick them up, they're gonna be in the exact shape that you need. Also, another benefit to this is when you go in with product, the product is going to stay on the base of the brush, okay? It's not going to soak into the bristles because we have that barrier of the glue. So you're going to waste less product, and it's just going to be so much easier. So that's all you have to do. Now, let me know if you tried it, what you think, how your outcome is, and if you do any cut creases with this hack, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. My Instagram will be somewhere right here, _Bea_love. You can also keep updated with me on there. I am there quite a bit, especially now that we are in quarantine. I am there quite a bit. So go ahead and just hashtag #BeaLove or just tag me in one of your photos. I would love to see them and share them on my story. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. Please, please, please stay safe. Take care of your families. Take care of yourself and your loved ones, you guys. I love you all. I will be seeing you next time. And it was nice spending time with you. Bye. Besos todos. Mwah.